In this video, we'll cover the workflow starting from the point that you start receiving results from your surveys, as well as how to share those results. Once you launch a survey, you can monitor the progress of the survey in two different places. A more visual aspect of the progress can be seen right from the Appraisals and 360 Surveys page. For the performance appraisal surveys, you can easily see the progress here with the 1, 2, 3 step process being clearly outlined. For 360 surveys, the progress is depicted by this progress bar being filled in. If you want to see more details, you can also click on the Edit button, where you'll see who has participated, who's yet to participate, and those who have declined. Hovering over the Decline button will show you the reason the participant provided when declining to fill in the survey. Another useful tool to see progress is via the reports available here. We can see 3 special reports. The appraisal progress reports show the progress in the employee appraisals, giving you a bird's-eye view of the overall progress on all appraisals for the selected cycle. The 360 survey progress report also shows a bird's-eye view of the overall progress, but for the 360 outstanding surveys within the selected cycle. The numbers displayed show the number of results received over the total number of participants invited. And finally, the 360 survey pending raters provides a high-level report during the selected cycle, listing all the participants who are yet to fill in the surveys. All these reports can be exported by using this button here. You can then export to Excel or some other format to help you show overall progress on performance management activities. The deadline selected for the survey can be altered after the survey has been launched. You would do this if you wanted to give more time to participants to respond. In these cases, we suggest sending another email or alerting participants of the importance of participating and mentioning that there will be an extension to the deadline. The application will also send an automated email with the new deadline. In order to modify the deadline of an individual appraisal, use the Edit button and then modify the appropriate deadline. You can also modify these deadlines in batch mode by selecting Show Filters and selecting the appropriate option for 360 surveys or appraisals. Once you have the results collected, you can share these results in 3 different ways: in person by applying filters, downloading a PDF version, or using the online sharing facility. Depending on the situation, you might want to share the results during a face-to-face meeting with your employee or person being reviewed. In the case of 360 surveys, depending on your anonymity settings, the manager might be able to identify respondents. There's a function available here where the manager can hide respondents' names. This would allow the manager to share the screen live with the person being reviewed without identifying the respondents. Another way to share the results is by downloading a PDF version of what's in the screen. By using this button here, you can download whatever you're seeing after applying any filters you might have. And lastly, there's the online sharing functionality. By clicking on the Share button, either on a 360 survey and also available in an appraisal, the person being reviewed will get an email alerting them that the report has been shared. Once shared, the report will automatically show up in the user's dashboard here, where they can access the results directly from the application. No need to keep paper copies or emails or files around from previous years and review cycles.